In addition to immediate income, consider establishing passive income streams. Here are 10 ways to get started. 1. Participate in online surveys. Share your opinions through online surveys for extra cash. Popular sites like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Ipsos EC offer opportunities. While not a substantial income source, it adds extra money to your pocket. 2. Join a gig working platform. Platforms like Amazon, Mechanical Turk, and freelancing sites connect you with small online tasks. Use your specific skills for gigs on platforms like Clickworker or freelancing giants such as Fiverr and Upwork. 3. Launch a blog. Create a blog and monetize it through affiliate marketing or ads with tools like Google AdSense. Establishing a niche audience is crucial for long-term success. 4. Establish an online store. Sell your creations on platforms like Etsy or set up a dropshipping store for a seamless business model. Fulfill orders directly from a third party when customers make a purchase. 5. Begin a YouTube channel. Monetize your creativity by starting a YouTube channel. Create engaging content, explore monetization options like Google Ads, and build income through memberships and live chats. 6. Monetize photography. Showcase your photography skills on platforms like Fine Art America, allowing your images to be featured on merchandise. 7. Work as a transcriptionist. Fast typists can earn money by transcribing audio files. Platforms like rev.com and GoTranscript offer opportunities for online transcription work. 8. Become a virtual assistant. With remote work becoming more prevalent, virtual assistants are in high demand. Platforms like Indeed offer remote opportunities in various tasks, from writing to social media management. 9. Test websites and apps. Tech-savvy individuals can get paid to test new websites and apps. Platforms like usertesting.com and betatesting.com provide opportunities to test products from well-known brands. 10. Buy and sell domain names. Generate passive income through domain name transactions. Use platforms like GoDaddy.com to participate in online auctions or acquire domain names related to future events for potential resale. In summary, in the dynamic world of online income, a diverse range of strategies caters to both immediate financial needs and long-term passive income goals. Whether pursuing active gigs or establishing lasting streams, adapting to the evolving digital landscape is key to success.